Hi, today is the 5th January and today is a bird race. Previously is known as a bird race, but now is known as a wing. Is a one kind of race where birders are searching for the species of the bird in all over Gujarat, and there will be a in end there will be a one event where all together we celebrate it. We are going in Nalsarovar and Wadla Wetland area. My team name is a woodpecker, and we have started from our home, and we are searching for the species, and we are enjoying the today's birding. The reason behind doing this bird race to know about the species of the area. Uh, Previously, it was just for the Ahmedabad area only. During COVID time, it was spreaded all over Gujarat. So now, all over Gujarat, all the teams are going to do birding, looking for the species, and we, in the end of the day, we will going to know how many species our birder friends are found in Gujarat. So same model is also applied for the India now. So let's see how was our day and how will going to be this wing bird race program.
So we have concluded our wings program. In the morning we have started from our home. We go to the Nalsarovar, then Wadla, then Bhaspura Wetland, and from there we come to the get together. We have met many birders here, new friends, old birders, and we have enjoyed. And today we have finally concluded with 142 species we have seen in the Nalsarovar, Wadla Wetland, and Bhaspura. If you like my video, give thumbs up. And to see the regular update, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.